Hello, I'm Sébastien Sinol, Product Manager at Enea. The purpose of this demo is to demonstrate the capabilities of the Cosmos Classifier. The Cosmos Classifier is a network component intended to be inline on the traffic and apply some tagging on the packet depending on classification result or depending on the traffic nature. So the management interface intended to create rules. Rules could be L2 to L4 information rules, IP ports, IP port numbers, combination of both. It could be the application classification. You can create rules per application. YouTube is managed different ways at Facebook or whatever application. Or also per subscriber, we can have different rules depending on the type of subscriber. Regarding the output, the classifier is tagging the packet. So it could be using the DSCP field of the IP packet, the TOS field. We can use IPv6 source routing also, or NSX encapsulation to provide more information about the packet details. Then this tag can be used by the service function forwarder, typically a vSwitch, that can apply a different policy and typically send the traffic to different service chains depending on what traffic it is. So this component can be used to do service function chaining. So to do that, you need to have one Cosmos classifier at the access of the network and one at the core, because both directions of the traffic must be classified. And then the classification result will allow the traffic to go to one or more VNF, depending on the result. The way the demo is set up is quite straightforward. We got three networks, one access network with clients simulating phones or whatever client, a core network for the telco side, and the internet. And we're going to see how we're going to apply different policy from different VNF, depending on the type of traffic. So this is my network, access, core, and internet. And we've created, using networking SFC, OpenStack networking SFC API, we create different service chains. So one is the default one. Any packet that does not have any specific policy for it will go to that chain, so directly from the access to the internet. But for HTTP traffic, we create a dedicated service chain where the traffic will go to a physical network function. And for SSH, it will go to a specific service function managing this kind of traffic. So when everything is set up with networking SFC, you just need to enable the service classifier that will read the networking SFC configuration and apply the right policy to the traffic. So for now, the service classifier is disabled, so traffic will not use actually the different rules. So if I generate some traffic from a client, let's say HTTP traffic, it goes to the red route because it's the default route. There's absolutely no policy for that. Same thing for if I want to apply SSH traffic, it will also go to the red because there's no policy on it. Now I'm going to activate the service classifier. So the service classifier will read networking SFC policy and apply it to the traffic. So just one command, this one, and now it's activated. So if I do the same thing again, I'm generate HTTP traffic. Now I will go to the green field, so using the physical network function. And now if I want to apply SSH traffic, for instance, it will go to this service chain. So this is a way to very simply, using OpenStack networking SSH function, to generate service function chaining thanks to the Cosmos classifier. Thank you for watching.